Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to solve the practice problem product of maximum in one array and minimum in second array. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically we are given two arrays A and B. Okay. Now from the first array, that is A, I need to find the maximum value which is 9. Okay. Now from the second array which is B, I need to find the minimum value which is -1. Okay. After finding the maximum and minimum value, I need to find the product of them. Okay. So basically if I multiply 9 into -1, then I get -9 and that is my output. I hope the question is clear to you, and for sorting this question I would sort both the list. Okay. So I would sort both the list, and from A I would take the last element and from B I would take the first element. Okay. So over here the last element index would be n-1 while the first element index is 0. I hope the question concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal you need to find the problem product of maximum in first array and minimum in second array. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now let's solve the question. Here is the question. Let's solve it. Let's read it first. Given two arrays of A and B respectively of sizes n1 and n2, the task is to calculate the product of the maximum element of the first array and minimum element of the second array. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code it over here. Okay. So let's start. 1 minute. Enter. Okay. So A1 equal to array dot sort. Okay. This is the first part. Enter. A2 equal to array dot sort. Okay. I'm sorting both the arrays. Enter. Now what do I need to do? I need to return with the product, right? 1 minute. Let me correct the spelling. Return with what? Array n-1. Okay. This is the last element. Star array 0. That is the first element. Okay. Now I need to check. 1 minute. I made a mistake. Over here it should be B, right? Right. 1 minute. This should also be B. I made a mistake. Okay. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. 1 minute. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay. Compilation is completed. And my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Let's see. Let's wait. So problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem product of maximum in first array and minimum in second. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.